So good morning to all of you MSc Physics second year student. So today again welcome to lecture series on energy study first subject, and we want to continue our third chapter is basics of heat transfer. And in this chapter already see the concept of understanding the main types of the heat transfer, and we have to see the idea or understanding the concept of the heat transfer by the conduction. So that is the conduction. In this term of the conduction, the heat transfer from one body to another body, from that the body which is considered as the solid material, and that have understanding the concept that the temperature difference in between them. By the radiation we have to know that electromagnetic radiation which is emit out from the black body, or we have to consider that sun is a black body, that is the sun radiation, and which is emits from this body and incident on the material or a slab surface. So what type of radiation emit, and that is the what is the phenomena occurs is there, that is the reflectivity, transmittivity and absorptivity, and what type of the heat transfer is there, this point also see in the last few lectures. And in this lecture we want to see next point, so that point which is considered as the convection. Actually, first of all, what is mean by convection? So that is convection which is means that the process of the heat transfer or process of transfer of heat by the one region to the another region, by the motion of a fluid. Once again see that the process of transfer of heat from one region to another region by the motion of a fluid. So that process which is nothing but or is known as the convection. Okay, so see that convection is a process. Convection is a process. Convection is a process. So that transfers heat, that transfer heat from one region to another region by the motion of a fluid, by motion of a fluid. So this concept which is known as that heat transfer by the convection. Okay, and if we see that the rate of heat transfer by the convection, that is QC, between a surface and a fluid can be calculated. One of the formula given, that is QC is equal to HC into A into Ts minus Tf. So that is the rate of heat transfer by the convection. The rate of heat transfer by the convection, so that is QC. So that is means by the rate of heat transfer by the convection. So that is QC is given by so that is the between a surface and a fluid can be calculated. So this formula which is given as that QC is equal to So QC is equal to H suffix C into capital A. So that is given as the surface area. So that HC into A, and that depends upon the temperature, that surface and the fluid. So that is the between the surface and fluid. So we want to see right here. So that is the rate of heat transfer by the convection QC between the surface and a fluid can be calculated as so that formula which is given by, so that QC is equal to HC into capital A into TS minus TF. So once again see that formula which is given by, so that HC is equal to, this HC is equal to QC is equal to HC into A into TS minus TF. So there are the different parameter which is given. What is mean by QC, what is mean by SC, what is mean by A, TS and TF. So QC, which is the rate of heat transfer by the convection. So that is given, the parameter QC is given where? QC is given by the rate of heat transfer by convection Okay, so QC is rate of heat transfer by convection, and the unit which is given by the kilocalorie per hour, that is kilocalorie per hour. So that is the energy transfer or transfer of heat per unit hour. So that is in terms of, that is the QC. Next point, that is A, which is the base area of heat transfer by convection. So that is the surface area. A is base area of heat transfer by convection in terms of meter square. Okay, so this is the area A. Now next, which is considered as the, what is mean by the TS, that TS is the surface temperature in terms of degree Kelvin, is surface temperature in degree Kelvin in terms of the, degree Celsius. Now next, which is parameter considered as a TF, that is the fluid temperature in terms of degree Celsius. So that is the TF, that is the fluid temperature in terms of degree Kelvin. Once again see that summarize this point. So that is the heat transfer by the convection, and that convection is the process of heat transfer from one region to another region by the fluid, by the motion of the fluid, and this is given by the rate of heat transfer by the convection. So that is QC is equal to HC into A into TS minus TF, where QC is the rate of heat transfer by the convection, which is given unit kilocalorie per hour. Next, which is the area, that is the base area of the surface of the material. Okay, and after that TS is the surface temperature in degree Kelvin, and TF is the fluid temperature in terms of the degree Kelvin. And another factor which is given as this is Hc. This Hc. So what is mean by Hc? That is the convection heat transfer coefficient. Convection heat transfer coefficient. Convection heat transfer coefficient. So that is given as the Hc, and that unit which is given as kilocalorie per hour into meter square, into degree Celsius. So that is the understanding the concept of the what is mean by the heat transfer by the convection. Now we want to, one of the relation is also here. So if the resistance which is arrival in the heat transfer, so that what is the value of this resistance? That is the thermal resistance, and that thermal resistance to convective heat transfer, that constant which is given as the Rc, and which is given by Rc is equal to 1 upon Hc into A. So that is the thermal resistance to convection. The thermal resistance to convection, the thermal resistance to convective heat transfer, to convective heat transfer So this is given by Rc, and that Rc is equal to, capital Rc is equal to 1 upon Hc into A. So that is the thermal resistance, that is Rc, from the convective heat transfer, and we have to know that Hc is the convection heat transfer coefficient, and A is the base area. So that the surface of the solar energy collector loses heat by the mechanism of convection and radiation to the surrounding. So that is total rate of heat transfer Q, which is given by the concept which is understanding the surface of solar energy collector, which the loss of heat mechanism by the convection and radiation. So that formula which is also given as that Q is equal to QR plus QC, that is equal to T collector minus T out divided by T resistance. So that is one also point is given. So what is, if the heat transfer, that is the loss of heat by the collector surface, so that formula which is calculate the heat transfer, or what is the error which is given here, so that is calculated by the what is mean by the total heat is given. So the surface of solar energy collector area, we want to write here the surface of solar energy collector of solar energy collector, surface of solar energy collector losses heat by mechanism losses heat by the mechanism, and that mechanism which is considered as the convection. So mechanism of convection and radiation, of convection and radiation to the surroundings, surroundings, and this heat which is calculated by the total rate of heat transfer. Okay, so the total rate of heat transfer, total rate of heat transfer, so that is given by small q, and that small q which is nothing but the qr plus qc, that is the qr plus qc. So that is given by that q, or that loss of heat by the collector surface area, which is given by the q which is considered as the by the radiation, and that heat which is by the convection. So that is equal to, that is the T collector, that is the temperature of the collector surface minus temperature of the surrounding, that is T out, divided by T of CR, that is the temperature of collector resistance. Okay, so this is considered as the equation number 2. So that is given idea, so that RCR is the combined resistor. Okay, and which is given by the two mechanism, by the convection and radiation which is acted in the parallel. So that is T collector is the average temperature of the collector surface, and T out is the outside air temperature. So here that T collector, so here not T, so that is the RCR. So that Q is equal to QR plus QC, that is T collector divided by T out divided by R into CR. So T collector which is given as the average temperature of the average temperature of collector surface after that, which is given as the T out, and that is given as the average temperature of surroundings, and next point which is given by, that is the RCR. So that is the given as the combined resistance, Okay, so these are the useful formula for we want to calculate the total rate of heat transfer by the process of the convection. So that is summary of the, in this lecture we want to see the heat transfer by the convection, and that is the heat transfer from one region to another region by the motion of the fluid. And we have to see that what is the understanding concept of the heat transfer in the material, and what is the useful or important formula of the convection.